Below is a clear, exam-oriented explanation of maintenance under Hindu law, covering all four statutory sources you mentioned, with scope, essentials, who can claim, nature of relief, and important distinctions. 1. Maintenance under the Hindu Marriage Act, 1955, HMA, A, Section 24 Maintenance pendent light and expenses of proceedings. Meaning maintenance granted during the pendency of matrimonial proceedings. Who can claim? Husband or wife, gender neutral. Must have no sufficient independent income for support and litigation expenses. Against whom? The other spouse. Nature of relief. Temporary. Continues till disposal of the main case. Court's discretion considers income of both parties, reasonable needs, status and standard of living. Key case law. Swaraj Garg vs. K.M. Garg, 1978, maintenance depends on actual earning capacity. Sanjeev Gupta v. Ritu Gupta, 2019, concealment of income invites adverse inference. B. Section 25 Permanent alimony and maintenance. Meaning long-term or permanent maintenance after the conclusion of matrimonial proceedings. When granted, at the time of decree or any time thereafter. After divorce, judicial separation, nullity, or restitution. Who can claim? Husband or wife. Form of maintenance. Lump sum or monthly, periodical payment. Modification, cancellation. Court may vary or rescind if or change in circumstances, or remarriage of the claimant, or unchastity, wife, or sexual relations outside wedlock, husband. Key case law. Saroj Rani v. Sudarshan Kumar, 1984, Section 25 is independent of the nature of decree. Hirachand Srinivas Managaonkar v. Sunanda, 2001, conduct of parties relevant. 2. Maintenance under Hindu Adoptions and Maintenance Act, 1956, Hammer. Section 18 Maintenance of wife. Right is independent of marital litigation. Who can claim? Hindu wife only. Against whom? Her husband. Conditions: wife is entitled to maintenance if 1. Marriage subsists. 2. She lives with husband or lives separately on valid grounds. Grounds for separate residence with maintenance, Section 18, 2. Desertion. Cruelty. Husband suffering from virulent leprosy. Husband has another wife. Concubine. Conversion. Any other just cause. Disqualification, Section 18, 3. Unchastity. Conversion from Hinduism. Nature of relief. Civil right. No need of divorce proceedings. Key case law. N.G. Dastane vs. S. Dastane, 1975, cruelty includes mental cruelty. 3. Maintenance under Criminal Procedure Code, 1973. Section 125 Summary remedy to prevent destitution. Nature. Social justice provision. Applies irrespective of religion. Who can claim? 1. Wife, including divorced wife not remarried. 2. Legitimate or illegitimate minor child. 3. Major child, if disabled. 4. Parents. Conditions. Claimant unable to maintain himself, herself. Respondent has sufficient means. Neglect or refusal to maintain. Against whom? Husband, father, son, as applicable. Nature of proceedings. Criminal in form, civil in substance. Summary and speedy remedy. Ceases if wife remarries. Wife refuses to live with husband without sufficient cause. Key case law. Bipin Chandra Jaisingbai Shah v. Prabhavati, 1957, neglect includes failure to provide. Dharmendra Kumar v. Usha Kumar, 1977, wife must show sufficient cause to live separately. 4. Maintenance under Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act, 2005. Section 20 Monetary relief. Who can claim? Aggrieved woman in a domestic relationship. Includes wife, live-in partner, mother, sister. Against whom? Respondent, husband or male partner. Nature of maintenance. Monthly maintenance. In addition to OHMA, or Section 125 CRPC, or Hammer. Purpose. To meet expenses incurred due to domestic violence. Or food. Or medical. Or housing. Or loss of earnings. Important feature. Relief can be granted even without divorce or separation. Key case law. Sureshta Devi v. Om Prakash, 1991, Protection of Women's Economic Security. Amardeep Singh v. Harveen Kaur, 2017, Speedy Justice and Settlement Encouraged. Comparative Snapshot, Exam Ready. Law Who Can Claim. Nature. Stage. HMAS.24 Husband, Wife. Temporary. During case. HMAS.25 Husband, Wife. Permanent. After decree. Hammer S.18 Wife only. Civil right during marriage. CRPC S.125 Wife, children, parents social justice. Anytime. DV Act 2005 Aggrieved Woman Protective and Compensatory Anytime. Online conclusion, for exams. Maintenance under Hindu law is a multi-statutory protective mechanism aimed at preventing destitution, ensuring dignity, and providing financial security to dependent spouses and family members through civil, criminal, and welfare legislations. If you want, I can also checkmark prepare Caselo-based answers checkmark give flowcharts checkmark. Amar Kanta Sen v. Sovana Sen, Air 9. Sovana Sen, Air 19. Amar Kanta Sen v. Sovana Sen, Air 1960 Cal 438. Court, Calcutta High Court. Facts. The husband Amar Kanta Sen and wife Sovana Sen were Hindus. The wife claimed separate maintenance from her husband. The husband contended that since proceedings under the Hindu Marriage Act, 1955 were available, the wife could not claim maintenance under the Hindu Adoptions and Maintenance Act, 1956, Hammer. The main issue was whether Section 18 of Hammer provides an independent right of maintenance to a Hindu wife, even after the enactment of the Hindu Marriage Act. Issues 1. Whether the remedy of maintenance under Section 18, Hammer is independent of the Hindu Marriage Act, 1955. 2. Whether a Hindu wife must necessarily seek maintenance only under the Hindu Marriage Act. Held. Section 18 of the Hindu Adoptions and Maintenance Act, 1956 confers an independent and substantive right of maintenance on a Hindu wife. The availability of relief under the Hindu Marriage Act, 1955 does not bar or exclude the wife's right under Hammer. Both statutes operate in different fields. Ratio decidendi. The Hindu Marriage Act deals with matrimonial relief such as divorce, judicial separation, restitution of conjugal rights, and maintenance incidental to such proceedings. The Hindu Adoptions and Maintenance Act codifies the pre-existing Hindu law obligation of a husband to maintain his wife. Therefore, Section 18 HAMA is not controlled or overridden by Sections 24 and 25 of the HMA. Key observations. A Hindu wife can or live separately on grounds mentioned in Section 18, 2, Hammer, and or still claim maintenance without filing or pending matrimonial proceedings. Maintenance under Hammer is a civil and substantive right, not merely ancillary relief. Legal principle established. A Hindu wife's right to maintenance under Section 18 of the Hindu Adoptions and Maintenance Act, 1956 is independent of and in addition to the remedies provided under the Hindu Marriage Act, 1955. Importance for exams. Frequently cited to show independence of Hammer from HMA. Wife's right to maintenance during subsistence of marriage. Often paired with NG Dastane vs. S. Dastane, Cruelty. Sanjeev Gupta v. Ritu Gupta, Maintenance Jurisprudence. Online exam answer. In Amar Kanta Sen v. Sovana Sen, the Calcutta High Court held that Section 18 of Hammer grants an independent right of maintenance to a Hindu wife, unaffected by the provisions of the Hindu Marriage Act, 1955. If you want, I can also checkmark link this case with Section 125 CRPC checkmark make a case comparison table checkmark or prepare a short note version, 150 words. D. Velusamy vs. D. Pachayammal. 201. D. Velusamy vs. D. Pachayammal. 2010. D. Velusamy vs. D. Pachayammal. 2010. 10 S. C. C. 469. Court. Supreme Court of India. Facts. D. Pachayammal claimed maintenance under the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act, 2005 DV Act. She alleged that she lived with D. Velusamy in a relationship, in the nature of marriage. Velusamy denied this and argued that Pachayammal was only a kept mistress, not his wife or partner in a marital like relationship. Issues 1. What is the meaning of relationship in the nature of marriage under the DV Act, 2005? 2. Whether every live-in relationship entitles a woman to maintenance under the DV Act. Held. Not all live-in relationships are relationships in the nature of marriage. Only those relationships which closely resemble marriage fall within the protection of the DV Act. On facts, Pachayammal failed to prove that her relationship satisfied these requirements, hence, maintenance was denied. Ratio decidendi. The Supreme Court laid down essential conditions for a relationship in the nature of marriage. 1. The couple must hold themselves out to society as spouses. 2. They must be of legal age to marry. 3. They must be otherwise qualified to enter into a legal marriage, no subsisting spouse. 4. They must have voluntarily cohabited for a significant period. 5. Shared household must be established. A mere sexual relationship or casual cohabitation does not qualify. Key observations. The DV Act does not intend to legalize all live-in relationships. A woman who is financially independent or only in a concubine-keep arrangement is not entitled to relief. The Act aims to protect women who are virtually wives, not those in transient relationships. Legal principle established. Only live-in relationships which are stable, continuous, and akin to marriage qualify as relationships in the nature of marriage, under the DV Act, 2005. Importance in maintenance law. Defines the scope of maintenance under Section 20, DV Act. Distinguishes between or legitimate live-in partnerships and or mere arrangements for sexual or financial convenience. Frequently linked cases for exams. Indra Sama vs. VKV Sama, 2013, expanded and clarified categories of live-in relationships. Chanmunia v. Virendra Kumar Singh Kushwaha, 2011, Social Justice Approach to Maintenance. Online exam answer. In D. Velusamy vs. D. Pachayammal, the Supreme Court held that only those live-in relationships which are in the nature of marriage, stable, continuous, and socially recognized, entitle a woman to maintenance under the Domestic Violence Act, 2005. If you want, I can also make a comparison with Indra Sama prepare flowchart style exam notes or link it with section 125 CRPC. Badshah v. Badshah v. Urmila Badshah Godse and ANR 2014-1 SC 188. Court, Supreme Court of India. Facts. Badshah married Urmila by concealing the fact that his first marriage was subsisting. Urmila lived with him as his wife and was later deserted. She filed a claim for maintenance under Section 125 CRPC. Badshah argued that since the marriage was void under Hindu law, bigamy, Urmila was not a legally wedded wife, and hence not entitled to maintenance. Issues 1. Whether a woman deceived into a void marriage can claim maintenance under Section 125 CRPC. 2. Whether the term wife under Section 125 should be interpreted strictly or purposively. Held. The Supreme Court allowed maintenance to Urmila. A purposive and social justice-oriented interpretation of Section 125 CRPC was adopted. A man cannot take advantage of his own wrong, concealment of prior marriage. Ratio decidendi. Section 125 CRPC is a measure of social justice, meant to prevent destitution and vagrancy. The expression, wife, includes a woman who was led to believe that she was lawfully married, even if the marriage is later found to be void due to the husband's fraud. Strict interpretation would defeat the object of the provision. Key observations. The court invoked the principle, no man can be allowed to take advantage of his own wrong. A narrow construction would encourage bigamy and exploitation of women. The provision must be interpreted in the light of constitutional values, Articles 15, 3, and 39. Legal principle established. A woman who is deceived into a marriage by a man who suppresses his subsisting marriage is entitled to maintenance under Section 125 CRPC, despite the marriage being void in law. Significance in maintenance law. Expands the scope of wife under Section 125 CRPC. Bridges the gap between personal law invalidity and criminal maintenance protection. Frequently contrasted with O Yamuna by Anantarav Adhav v. Anantarav Shivram Adhav, 1988, strict view. O Savitaban Somabhai Bhattiavi. State of Gujarat, 2005, denied maintenance. Online exam answer. In Badshahvi, Urmila Godse, the Supreme Court held that a woman deceived into a void marriage due to the husband's fraud is entitled to maintenance under Section 125 CRPC, as the provision must be interpreted to advance social justice. If you want next, I can checkmark case with DV Act and live-in relationships checkmark or make a problem-based Padmya Sharma v. Ratan Lal Padmya Sharma v. Ratan Lal Padmya Sharma v. Ratan Lal Sharma. Air 2000 South Carolina 1398. Court. Supreme Court of India. Facts. Padmya Sharma, wife, filed a petition seeking maintenance pendant light and litigation expenses under Section 24 of the Hindu Marriage Act, 1955. Ratan Lal Sharma, husband, opposed the claim, contending that the wife was qualified and capable of earning, and hence, she was not entitled to maintenance. Issues 1. Whether a spouse who is educated and capable of earning is disentitled from claiming maintenance under Section 24 HMA. 2. What is the meaning of the expression, has no independent income sufficient for her support, under Section 24? Held. The Supreme Court allowed maintenance to the wife. Mere capacity to earn or educational qualification does not disentitle a spouse from claiming maintenance. What is relevant is actual income, not potential earning capacity. Ratio decidendi. The test under Section 24 HMA is whether the applicant has independent income sufficient for support, not whether the applicant can possibly earn. A spouse should not be compelled to accept employment merely to contest matrimonial litigation. Maintenance ensures equal footing of parties during proceedings. Key observations. Section 24 aims to prevent financial handicap in matrimonial litigation. Denying maintenance solely on the ground of employability would defeat the purpose of the provision. The standard of living enjoyed during marriage must be considered. Legal principle established. Under Section 24 HMA, the ability to earn is irrelevant. What matters is whether the applicant actually has sufficient independent income to maintain herself and conduct litigation. Importance for exams. Frequently cited to counter arguments that, the wife is educated, therefore no maintenance. Works alongside Sanjeev Gupta v. Ritu Gupta, 2019. Swaraj Garg vs. K.M. Garg, 1978. Online exam answer. In Padmya Sharma v. Ratan Lal Sharma, the Supreme Court held that mere capacity to earn does not bar maintenance under Section 24 HMA. The decisive factor is the existence of sufficient independent income. If you want, I can also checkmark connect